Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm the Guest Services Specialist here at Lichtsinn RV, and today we're going to show you how to put in the window cab blinds on a Winnebago View or Navion. So, I'll start with the front ones. The shiny side always goes out, and then if you look here, it's wider at the bottom than it is up at the top. So they just flip around. You always shove the wide part down in the back corner first, and then you line up this side. And then this one, you just peel it back and get it behind the rear view mirror. And now there's Velcro right here that will match up with this one. So here again, we got the wide part here, narrower at the top. So you just shove that back in the corner, line up the top, and then peel it around. And then the Velcro will meet up in the middle. And then you just simply put down your visors, and then that just kind of holds it up tight. So there's the front one. The back or the side windows are same thing. The shiny goes on the outside, and then there are these magnets that are right here, and they just meet up. So there's two in the front that meet up right here. There's the one that goes up there, and then the other one goes towards the back. So all you do is just line it up in there, and the magnets will hit, and then they stay. So that is how you put on the window shades on a Winnebago View or Navion.